Meet Jake. Every weekend, he's on the water before sunrise. Last week, he found what looked like the perfect spot. Calm water, great structure. He was sure fish were there. 3 hours later, his line still hadn't moved. He started asking himself, was it the wrong lure? The wrong spot? Or was there something beneath the surface he simply couldn't see? That's why we created Smart Angler Lab. Every week, we test fish finders, sonar, GPS units, and kayak gear where they actually belong, out on real water, not sitting on a desk. No sponsors telling us what to say, no fake reviews, just honest testing and straight answers about what's truly worth your money. Whether you're buying your first fish finder or you've been fishing for years, we'll help you understand what really matters before you spend $1. So the next time you're standing where Jake stood, you won't be guessing. You'll already know what's beneath the surface. Subscribe to Smart Angler Lab and fish smarter every time you hit the water.